Today we're taking a closer look at the ILIFE T60s, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed to bring true automation into your home. This isn't just another robot vacuum. It's a self-sufficient cleaning system that takes care of itself while keeping your floors spotless. From the moment you unbox it, the T60s feels like a step above the competition. It's sleek, modern, and compact, but what really makes it stand out is the technology built inside. This robot uses high-precision LiDAR and AI navigation with dual-line lasers to scan and map your home with incredible accuracy. It doesn't just clean randomly. It actually identifies dust-prone areas and floor stains, then plans the smartest cleaning path for maximum efficiency. You can even view 2D or 3D maps right in the companion app, giving you a detailed visual of your home's coverage. One of the highlights of the T60s is its maintenance-free design. Anyone with pets or long hair knows how frustrating tangled brushes can be. The T60s solves that with an automatic haircutting system, trimming hair from the main brush so it never clogs. All collected dust and debris are transferred to a self-emptying base station, which can hold up to 8 weeks of dirt in a sealed disposable bag. That means less mess, less hassle, and more free time for you. But ILIFE didn't stop there. This robot goes beyond vacuuming. It's also an advanced mop. After each cleaning cycle, the T60s returns to its station where the mop is washed with hot water and then dried with warm air. This prevents bacteria, odors, and mildew from forming, something many other robot vacuums struggle with. Its dual water tanks for clean and dirty water mean you're always mopping with fresh water, and you don't have to change it constantly. Now let's talk about performance. The T60s has powerful suction with carpet boost technology, capable of lifting fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. Its ultrasonic sensors detect carpets instantly, boosting suction for deep cleaning, while lifting the mop by 10 millimeters to keep rugs dry. It can also climb obstacles up to 20 millimeters, making it ideal for homes with thresholds, carpets, or rugs. Cleaning modes are flexible. You can vacuum only, mop only, or do both together. There's even a vacuum then mop option for more thorough cleaning. The auto-extendable mop reaches edges and corners, while multiple patterns like Y-shaped scrubbing, S-shaped sweeping, and grid cleaning ensure every inch is covered. On the smart side, the ILIFE app offers complete control. You can set go and no-go zones, define pet areas, create multi-level maps, and adjust suction or water levels. You can even schedule cleaning for specific rooms or activate a 2x cleaning mode for heavily trafficked areas. Voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant make operation even easier. So how does it perform in real life? In daily use, the ILIFE T60s is fast, quiet, and extremely reliable. The AI mapping ensures it doesn't miss spots, the hot water mop washing keeps pads hygienic, and the auto haircutting is a lifesaver for pet owners. It's designed for busy families, people with pets, and anyone who wants a truly hands-free cleaning solution. Overall, the ILIFE T60s isn't just a robot vacuum. It's a full cleaning system. With intelligent navigation, powerful suction, automatic mop washing and drying, and maintenance-free features, it sets a new standard in smart home cleaning. If you want a robot vacuum that takes care of itself while taking care of your home, this is one of the best options out there today.